Welcome to KrispCall. In this video, we'll show you how to purchase a Slovakia phone number from KrispCall. Let's get started. Go to KrispCall.com and either log into your current account or create a new one. Access My Number by clicking the plus icon or navigating to Settings on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Click on Purchase New Number. From the drop-down menu, choose Slovakia. Customize your preferred number type and proceed to Buy Number. Name your selected number and add it to your card. To get your Slovakian phone number, you must provide the necessary documents and information to our customer department. Now click on Confirm Purchase. Once your Slovakian phone number is activated, you can start making and receiving calls. Get 100+ international virtual phone numbers from KrispCall and connect with your global audiences remotely from a single app. With KrispCall, you can get advanced telephony features like unified call box, global calling, text messages, voicemail, multi-level IVR, call analytics. Contact our chat support for more information.